Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a dessert, and this is a traditional Spanish dessert called Crema Catalana, and it's called Crema Catalana because it originates from the Spanish region Catalonia. So it's a very simple, easy, delicious recipe that I would highly recommend anyone try. So I'll show you guys how to make it. So to make the Crema Catalana, you need 4 egg yolks, 600 milliliters of milk, 30 grams of cornstarch, 60 grams of sugar, a cinnamon stick, and lemon peels. And if you have orange peels, you can also add those. So your first step is to pour milk into a saucepan alongside your cinnamon and lemon peels, and you let them boil. But after it starts to bubble up, now we're just going to turn off the heat, and we're going to cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes so that all the flavors can infuse together. Once our milk has cooled down, we're now going to put in a mixing bowl our egg yolks and our sugar, and we're going to whisk them together. So now we're going to add in our cornstarch and we're going to mix it all together. So now we're going to add in our milk, and we're going to strain it obviously, so we remove the lemon peels and the cinnamon. So now we're going to mix it really well, and the reason we mixed after the milk has cooled down is because if we actually use the hot milk, it would have cooked the eggs, which we don't want. So after mixing and incorporating all of the ingredients together, we poured the mixture back into our saucepan, which we have washed, and we're going to continue stirring it on heat until it starts to thicken. So now that we've put it on heat, we're going to just continue stirring until it starts to thicken. So once it starts making these kind of bubbles, we know that it's ready, and we're just going to turn it off the heat, and we're going to put it in our ramekins. So the amount of ingredients we've used has given us exactly 4 portions. So we're going to let them cool, and then we're going to cover them in plastic wrap and put them in the fridge to chill for a minimum of 3 hours. After it has chilled for enough time, now we're just going to do the final touches, and that is the sugar layer on top. So you're going to take a little bit of sugar, and you're going to evenly spread it around, and take your time with it because you want it to be an even layer of sugar to just give you a thin from the top. So now we're going to take our blowtorch. We're going to take our blowtorch and brown the sugar until it forms a golden brown. So this is what the final product looks like. As you can see, the sugar has browned from the top and created this beautiful golden brown crust. I like to do this with this. I like to break the sugar crust first. So as you can see, it is very creamy from here. This creamy texture, it looks so creamy. I love it because you have the creaminess from the crema itself, and then you have the crunch of the sugar from the top, and then you can taste the cinnamon. You can't really taste the lemon peels, but I feel like the whole point of the Crema Catalana itself is the cinnamon, which you actually can taste. So I would highly recommend trying this. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so you guys can support me to make more. Again, please follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.